What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the PCV valve in a 2006 through 2011 CRV, Honda CRV. Some of the symptoms of a bad PCV valve could be leaking oil, burning oil, rough start, and just a rough idling motor. I'm going to go ahead and show you where it's at. So you see this line right on top of the alternator. It goes right into the PCV valve, and that's what it is. So you got to take this line off. There's a little clip right here. You take the clip off, take the line off, and then twist this off with 11/16 is what I found that works. So in order to take this off, the clip, I'm gonna use these needle nose pliers, and I'm gonna do it without the camera because I might need two hands. So the needle pliers are a little bit too long, couldn't really fit in there, so I used these, and I got it loose. So now it should just come right off. And there's the PCV valve. Here's the valve. It looks like it's in pretty bad shape. There's oil everywhere. Not 100% sure that means it's bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and assume so. So here's the new one. Here's the old one. All right. Put it back in now. And it's back on. Let's see how it starts. So it started perfect. It drives about 10 times better. That was the fix.